Hi, my name's Alan McGinnis. I'm the principal of the Early Years and Elementary School. Welcome to CISB.
Hi, my name is Caroline Woodburn. I'm the proud Elementary and Early Years Vice Principal here at CISB. Welcome.
When your children enter our classrooms, they're going to experience something that's a little different from what we experienced when we were in school. Our program of inquiry, all that we learn, is built on individual units. Each of our units is transdisciplinary, rigorous, and tied to much more than what students are learning. We go beyond what they learn, and we teach them how to learn. If you look around the room, you will see an active, vibrant, and living learning space. Part of what our teachers do is help our students understand their pathways to their individual choices and their individual goals. One of the key pieces of this is our approaches to learning. Students learn self-management. They learn communication, collaboration, and they learn social skills that helps them not just be a good academic student, but be a well-rounded learner. We welcome you to our open day, and we look forward to seeing you in person very, very soon.
Welcome to one of our kindergarten classrooms. Here we are in this kindergarten classroom that has many different areas. So let's start looking over here. As you can see in the middle of the classroom, there are numerous small tables where children each have a place to sit and engage in activities more in a traditional table setting. In addition to that, over here we have a guided reading table. And this table can be used for many different purposes. Currently, as you can see, our children have engaged in a Lego activity, and they are using the table to work together to build Lego structures. As we come along, here's another center area within the kindergarten classroom. This is more of our area where children love to build. And once again, you can see a structure that has been built and that our children are very proud to play with and continue to build. Continuing along within our classroom, here we have our writing center. In the writing center, you can see there are many different writing tools, as well as different papers, different stories. So it is a system and a way that is set up for our students to engage in writing in a purposeful and fun way. Continuing along, as you can see, we have our cozy reading corner. And within this corner, it's a lovely place for children to snuggle up on the couch, find a lovely storybook, and engage in the joy of reading. Continuing along in this corner of the room, as you can see within this classroom, our students have been led and have been inquiring into a restaurant. So the students have created their own menu. They've simulated the kitchen in a restaurant, and they've also simulated a dining room. So they've developed an experience of going to a restaurant, and they've learned how to interact with each other when going to a restaurant, which is real life learning. Finally, within this classroom, as you can see, there is our carpet area. Within this area, we have the smartboard and the whiteboard, and this is a place where our teachers can gather all of the students together, engage in mini lessons, and develop that sense of community. It's a wonderful and busy classroom here in kindergarten at CISB, but anytime you come in, you see students that are engaged, that are happy, and that are communicating joyfully together. Welcome to one of our grade 1 classrooms here at CISB. This classroom in grade 1 is a little bit different from our kindergarten classroom because there is a transition that happens from kindergarten and play-based inquiry learning into grade 1 where there is a little bit more of a focus on the academic learning that's taking place. As you can see within this room, there are a number of tables. At the tables, each student have a designated place and a designated seat for them to sit when they engage in the learning process. In addition to that, however, there still is the recognition that these are some of our young learners. As such, we transition them into some of this academic focus. So there still is an area for children to play and to grow through some of the play. Here, as you can see, are some of the blocks in the building, similar to in the kindergarten classroom. Moving to another area of the classroom, we have our reading corner. Once again, this is a beautiful reading corner where students can snuggle up and find a book that they really engage with and enjoy the process of reading. Let's move along to the front of the classroom where we have the carpet area and the whiteboard, the smartboard. This is an area where our students come together for important mini lessons that happen. As you can see in this classroom, there are many, many lessons that have been taking place. Also, within this area at the carpet, our students come together with their teachers and they build that sense of team and that sense of community together. We are in a grade 4 classroom. It's a beautiful classroom, as you can see, which is very much academically focused. At the front of the room, there are the whiteboards where you can see there are a lot of pieces of information that are remnants of the learning that has been taking place within this classroom. Again, moving along to the bulletin boards within the room, you can see within the numeracy board and beside it, another board that is being used. These are areas where students can reference. They're charts that students use as they engage in the process of learning within their day-to-day activities. Moving around the room, once again, you see the writing process with charts that are there to support students in their learning. Continuing along, there are more charts, and as you can see, these are what we call anchor charts. There are charts that are built by the students when they're engaging in their learning. Once again, we have the reading corner. The reading corner is something that is within all of our classrooms at CISB because reading and writing in the English language is so much a focus in our program here in the early and the elementary years at CISB.